Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. An all-wheel drive vehicle, also known as an AWD vehicle, is one with a powertrain capable of providing power to all its wheels, whether full-time or on demand. Most all-wheel drive systems let your vehicle automatically decide when to drive all four wheels. They're adaptable, balancing fuel economy and traction needs without the driver having to think about what the vehicle is doing. All-wheel drive connects your vehicle's engines to the front and rear wheels, but most AWD cars and SUVs can change the amount of power sent to the front or back wheels, and can even disconnect power from one set of wheels entirely. This is called part-time all-wheel drive, the most common type of AWD. Some vehicles use full-time all-wheel drive. Just like the name suggests, full-time AWD always sends power to both the front and rear wheels. While these systems never turn off, they may still be able to vary how much power goes to the front or rear if they sense your wheels starting to slip. An AWD thinks for itself, so you can focus on driving. It balances fuel economy and extra traction. It's designed for paved roads but can handle some light-duty off-roading. AWD is available on a wide selection of cars, crossovers, and SUVs. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.